Guys, so today I'm going to be showing you about Grammarly. So if you guys aren't familiar with Grammarly, it is a website where you can run your writing through to check for grammatical errors, punctuation, tone, all these other fun stuff. So I know there's an app that you can use to download, but I personally just use the website, so I Google Grammarly. When you get there, it's going to ask you to log in or make an account. I already have one, so here I am logged in. You can see right here it's offering or asking me to add the keyboard to my Safari. You can also add that to your phone. So that just means it'll give you suggestions as you're writing instead of having to copy and paste it later. Personally, I just like to copy and paste it in, so that's what I do. You can see too, these are old pieces that I put in here, and these are recommendations that they expect me to go back in there and fix. So if you're not working on any of the old pieces, if you're adding a new one, you can either upload from Word, PDF, all these other things, or you can go to new, which is what I'm going to do. And for learning purposes, I just butchered this so that we could all see it, but I'm going to copy and paste it in. It's going to ask me to set some goals for audience, formality, domain is only for premium, and intent. My intent is to inform. If I get in here, it's going to immediately tell me I have 6 alerts for my correctness, and that's all these things that are under red lines. So if I go here, these are my suggestions. It's going to fix them, and it's going to tell me why underneath, which is helpful. Makes it so you're not mindlessly going through it. You can read it and actually learn from it, which has been really helpful for my learning. And as you see, as I'm fixing this, my score is going up because it's going to give me a score out of 100. I'm just going to go through and click these. So as you can see now, my score is 85 out of 100, so I was able to get all my writing mistakes in, and then if I wanted to upgrade to premium, it would go into different things about compounding sentences and wordy sentences and things along those lines. But if you're just doing basic checks, this is what I use. It's been great. Thank you.